All right, what we're doing here is 46B. Youngston Company, which is a Utah employer, wants to give a holiday bonus check of $750 to each employee. That would be nice. I just got my bonus from the community college. It was a $50 gift card that I could use at a grocery store. Anyway, since it wants the check amount to be $750, it will need to gross up the amount of the bonus. We need to calculate the withholding and the gross amount of the bonus to be made to Jenna Frederick if her earnings for the year are $55,920. Because she hasn't reached the FICA limit of $110,100 for 2012, she's subject to Social Security taxes and the federal income tax, and that rate is 25%. For regular wages, you would use the tables, but for supplemental payments like a bonus, you can use a flat 25% rate. Plus, we have to withhold state income tax of 5%. So, formula. You take the net amount in the numerator, 750, and you divide that by 1 minus, and then you just list all of your rates. And these are the 4 rates, and added up they equal 35.65%, basically. That's a big chunk to be withheld. So 750 divided by 1 minus this is 750 divided by 0.6435, and you get the gross amount of $1165.50. And then we're going to just do a check. And because they already went through this, they know that they have to add a penny. If you had just put 50 cents here, you would have come up with a -1. So if you use the 1165.51, and then you take 25% times 1165.51, you get 291.38. 0.042 times 1165.51, you get 48.95. 0.0145 times 1165.51, you get 1690. 5% times 1165.51 gives you 58.28. Subtract all those taxes and you end up with 750. Beautiful. I hope they have a nice holiday with Jenna's money.